Moo.
I'm a ghost. I'm a ghost.
Who said that?
I'm in your head, little one.
Who said that?
Come out and fight me, bro. I am a ghost.
Oh shoot! He came out. He came out. This boy's
Going
got
to
a
whip you.
metal
With
brand
this
with a metal spoon.
spoon and belt.
Oh my gosh, my worst nightmare.
No joke.
You're Jimmy.
My place of work
What's your
are
place
more
of work,
imaginative than you think.
It's not funny anymore.
Your stupid little teammates killed my kid.
Hey, wait.
How am I supposed to?
You're talking about.
Never mind. Let's talk about
I
something
gotta
else.
say one though.
Thank
So
cameraman.
you gotta tell me.
Huh?
They have to find me first, dog.
I'm kidding. You stupid.
No. Boy, don't even try to hit. I like your
cousin to your forehead, because I have this technique called
Your dad left you.
but I can't promise you
What's
that.
called. So when you better, when the time strikes, you better be honest.
So